Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of woman's capris without using a pattern. I took a pair of my regular capris. You can see the tan ones right here. And I folded them up. Perfect. Smooth them out and laid them on my material. And I cut around. I already actually cut around my material. I left a couple inches on both sides. That way I will be able to hem them up really good and put the seam in them and make sure I have plenty of room, because I can always make them smaller but can't make them bigger once you do cut them. So I'm going to go over to my sewing machine. I already got some elastic here to put in the waist. I'm going to make it an elastic waist. I pre-bought it from Joann Fabrics. So right now I got 4 pieces of material here for both of the legs, front and back. I'm going to take and turn them with the outside, the inside of the pants facing you. I'm going to sew along the back seam of the back part right here, as you can see. And I'm going to make sure I double stitch this. That way I can't split it apart or nothing. Okay, I have as you can see, the back part of it sewed together. I'm going to take the other piece of material and do it the same way. Turn it wrong side out, sew it the same way. I left plenty of room too on the waist. Cut it a lot larger that way, because the waist needs to be a lot larger to put the elastic in, so you have plenty of room there. As you can see, I got that part sewed. Now I'm going to put them together, wrong side out. Then I'm going to sew down the split of the legs, the pants legs, in between the legs, sew them together. Okay, I got in between the legs sewed down, as you can tell. Now I'm getting ready to take it sew down the sides on both sides of the material. Flip it around and do the other side. There you have it. Now I'm going to flip them right side out. As I said, I made these a little bit bigger. I'm going to put the elastic in them and put a little hem on the bottom of the legs, each leg. Put my elastic in the waist. And there you have it, a cute pair of ladies' capris, which took maybe 10 minutes at the most between cutting the material and putting them together, but they're really pretty. I bought the same material and made a little crossbody purse out of it, and I'm like, well, I just love the material. I think I'm just going to go and pick me up another 2 yards and make a pair of capris, and I ended up buying probably eight different yards of material. So if you like my videos, hit that like and subscribe button, because my next video I plan on making a shirt without using a pattern. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share my videos. Until next time, thank you.